Good afternoon, children. You are having offline exam. You came to know about that, is it? So now you have to prepare more. Your online exam was easy, is it? What is the pattern? Old pattern only. Old pattern means 4 1-mark questions and 3 marks, 2 questions with internal choice. 3 questions, 3-mark questions with internal choice. Yes. What you want, Nandika? Yes. Chat box is going. That is the problem actually. Okay. You can talk to me. Is it? What is the problem? So you are all whatever we have learned, you have to study. You should download the material which we have put it in the KMIT online. So you should download all that and all that practice. Now time is there. Actually, one is on 23rd and one is our exam is on 28th. So it is easy. More time you can study. Now my question is, where we have already covered so many revisions are over. So whether you are having any doubts, means you can ask me, or what I should do, you tell me, I will do it. First unit or second unit or third unit, who wants, which topic you want, you tell, I will do it. Can I know the most important questions, man? Yes. Uh, 1 minute, children. 1 minute.
Thank you for watching Delta Games.
Actually, I got a call. That is why I was not talking to you. Now I will talk to you. You write your doubts. Okay. And the students don't know the pattern of the question paper and can you please yes, I am telling the pattern. Yes. 1 second. You want to write down as 1 mark question. 1 mark question, 4 questions with 1 mark. 1 mark means it is can be definition, it can be state the what is that statement or some small problems. That is 4 questions without any choice. That is part A. And part B, 2 questions with internal choice having 3 marks. Understood? We will give 4 questions. You have to answer 2 questions, but internal choice. Either this or that. 3 marks. So 6 plus 6 B part and 4 marks A part. Total 10 marks. That is descriptive. Objective 10 multiple choice questions. Usually we will be giving 10 fill in the blanks. Like that. Anyway, you prepare for the multiple choice. How many you got is it? So it is part B. Once again I should tell as with 4 questions with internal choice. You have to answer 2 questions. That means I will connect my board. I will write. That is what is nice. Okay, I will write on the board. That is nice. But 1 minute, 1 minute. I will connect my board and I will write. Yes. Let me share the screen and I will do it. Okay, here I will write. All right. So you see, part A, first question, 1 mark, 1 mark. Second question, 1 mark. Third question, 1 mark. Fourth question. Any problem? You are having anything you are part B? Yes, I am telling. Wait. Fourth one, 1 mark. And now part A over. Part B. Yes, fifth question, 3 marks. Or here or will be coming. Yes, sixth question. This or this you should write 3 marks. And seventh question, 3 marks. Yes, eighth question, 3 marks or 3 marks. Yes. Now understood? Is it clear? Dikshit, is it clear? So total here 4 marks, here 6 marks. Yes. So total 10 marks. Descriptive. Okay. And objective also 10 marks. Usually we will be giving with multiple choice and fill in the blanks. This time how it is, I don't know. Anyway, they have taken 80 questions, 70 questions or 80 questions like that. So from that they will give or they will that I don't know. Anyway, this part is very clear. You are going to write offline. This one. There is no doubt at all. That is what we got. You got information, is it? Did you get information? Dikshit? Did you get information? It is offline? Your HOD has told, is it? Yes, all of you know that, yes. So now you cannot take it very lightly. Yes. I think they could understand that exam can be conducted offline. This JNTU could understand. Teaching only, coming to the college and learning only difficulty is their exam. Once they have conducted some exam, they could understand that any number of exams they can conduct. Yes. So they are not going for online exams. Slowly we will come into normal form, I think. Yes. Yes, you are laughing like anything. Yes. Important questions. The problem only, madam. What is the problem? Yes, Saima. What is the problem? No problem. We are out. We are going outside. You are not going outside. That is why. Important questions you want? Important questions. Actually, when I tell important questions. Okay. I will say topics. I will tell. Questions, how can I did not even prepare question paper. How can I give? After I prepare question paper, I will think about it. Now I am going thinking only. Yesterday only I came to know offline is there. Now before that I prepared all multiple choice questions and I sent to them. Now they are telling that I should prepare that is a descriptive question paper. So I need that I can do. Yeah, that way I can do it. Some important questions, some important topics I will tell. Questions means it is difficult. That I am putting only I should tell. Is it? So first part, one question anyway I can ask you. What is it? Some probability, one problem I can ask. That means conditional probability. Conditional probability, addition theorem, multiplication theorem. Objective questions, you see you can see it in the KMIT online, same only one or few questions only I changed. Online, you wrote objective question, same thing only you study. You can see that yesterday they told. You can see, yes, is it? You can see your objective questions which you have written earlier. Can you see once again from more than that? From where I will create? Maximum we wrote is it every day 5 questions we wrote. Is it possible for you to see or not? Tell me, Pavan or who is Sai Nikhil. Can you see that questions in your KMIT online? Sai Nikhil, can you see that questions again or not? You tell me. Yes. Ma'am, 25 marks. What about other 5 marks? You don't worry about all that. Whatever they are telling you to do, you do it. The remaining things they will take care of it. Yes? 20 marks is big or 5 marks is big? 20 is big, is it? 5 you leave. 20 you write. Okay. Anything more required, we will tell you. Some proof is required means we will go for it. And also you wrote so many these bit questions and all you have written, is it? Sometimes ma'am will tell assignment we wrote. Yes, that also you wrote. Yes, good. Yes, that is also there. Leave. So you don't worry about what is not there. What they are telling you, right? Do it. End of it. Now I will tell topics. Can I tell? Complete through units for mid. All last 2 days, sir has told first and second units. Now you want 5 assignment. What you want? Questions we want to practice. You take that and download and practice. Notes I have uploaded. Same thing only I will be putting for the exam. Okay. Sure. What more? Actually, you should not waste time. You should study, I think. 3 unit, 2.5 unit sampling distribution is not there till yes. First unit, second unit complete. Third unit, I will write. Third unit, I did not. This is PDF only. So wherever place is there, I will write. Here, third unit. First one is a rectangular distribution. Rectangular distribution. Yes. And second one is normal distribution. And third one is this is the most important one. As question will come from here also, question will come for that. Next one, it is exponential distribution. That is only for the bit questions. And exponential distribution, and one more is there, gamma distribution. Till here you study. Don't study sampling distribution. That also I completed. Sampling distribution is not there. Not there. Till that. Till here you study. Understood? First unit. This is little important. This is only for bits. Now yesterday I attended your class, but you marked me absent, which I am only teaching. I am not putting absent for anybody. Actually, other faculty members are doing it. You are from which section, Anil? Anil, D. D section is A, B, C, D. D section is Vamshi sir. Vamshi sir, your Sir is only I'm putting A is for Sarita madam, B is for who is that? Balakrishna sir, C Riyasuddin sir, D Vamsi sir. So D Vamsi, third unit only for no, not third unit for objective. Then that very important topic, normal distribution is there, rectangular distribution is there. I told only exponential and gamma for objective. I told. What I am telling you are not important. Questions will come. Questions will come in the descriptive. No, afterwards you will tell, madam told only objective will come. I did not study all that, you will tell. That will not work. Since normal distribution is main entire, in future also you will be going to use, that is why. Now, yes, carry on. Now I should tell topics. Or any doubts means you can ask, otherwise I will tell topics. Okay, I am going to tell. So, what all are... all COSM classes were marked. I could not understand Sahitya. All you are lateral entry student, Sahitya. Sahitya, are you lateral entry student or not? Otherwise, you know sir's number, you can call him and tell. No, you are not lateral entry means you know number. Sir's number you don't know. You know or not? Today before marking you call him and tell. You don't know number meaning. You are with which section? Sai. Sri Sai, we are which section? You should talk to your sir or madam. ITA is Janardhan sir. Yes. You should talk to sir. That only possible. I will call today. I will tell Vamsi sir and Janardhan sir, this happened. I will tell anyway. I will convey the message. But when you tell, effect will be more. Okay. You are having enough attendance means anyway, but still you talk to them. No, okay, I will tell. Yes. So topics are addition theorem. You will note down. So addition theorem is there. I can open one PPT. This with this no need. I will try. Okay, and something. Okay. Addition theorem. Multiplication theorem. Conditional probability. I will give you after class. You call me. Okay, I will give you. Conditional probability. Bayes theorem. These are the topics, first chapter. Next we are going to second chapter, first unit, second chapter. Problems also you see all these statements, all that you study, and problems also you study. Problems also. Statements, problems, definition, problems. What happened, Varshita? Yes. Bayes theorem statement also can be asked. Yes. Next, random variables, discrete random variable and continuous random variables. Discrete random variables, continuous random variables. Continuous random variable, for this definition is there. Definition is there. Okay. Since 1 mark question is, they can ask all that. Problems. Problems also is there. Then we are having distributive function, that is this continuous probability mass function, probability density function. For this probability mass function, PMF, probability density function here. Definition, properties. Properties. Yes, properties. This. And one second, distributive function. Cumulative distribution function. Distribution function. You write down, tell me, I am seeing some. Do we have any MCQ type questions? Yes, MCQ I have told where you were. I was talking about that only, is it? They have collected from us 70 questions. So you are having, and also when I conducted more than 100 questions I have conducted. So see your KMIT online MCQ questions and study. Anything can be asked from this. Out of 70 questions, they can ask any question from that. I have given now at present 70 questions, also for more than 100 questions. So everything is there in KMIT online. Yeah, that capital is equal to small f of x. So that is very also I told. So including discrete and continuous, your first unit is over. Anything more is there? You want to ask anything about the first unit? Nothing? First unit is very easy. You can do it without any difficulty. I am going to the second. Okay. Please explain mass function and density function. Probability mass function. F of x. F of x properties. F of x is greater than or equal to 0. Sigma f of x is equal to 1. This is its property. Probability mass function is for discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Probability density function is also denoted by f of x. F of x is greater than or equal to 0. Since it is continuous, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. Probability of a less than x less than b is equal to integral a to b f of x dx. These three properties satisfies. This is probability density function, PDF. This is PMF, probability mass function. This is for discrete random variable. This is for continuous random variable. continuous random variable. Yes, next cumulative distribution function. I am expanding the space, that is what only. I did not put the PPT, that is why I thought what you want I will take it, I thought. That is why. Cumulative distribution function. Cumulative I am here only. Cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution function, already I have shown you, it is d by dx of f of x. As here, cumulative distribution function d by dx of f of x. Anything more fun regarding the first unit? Yes, anything more? Nothing. I have to explain once, you should tell. Otherwise, again, I will take the PDF. Next, we will go for second unit. Let me take some space. Yes. So, second unit you are having expectation. Expectation. Yes. And binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. No, you cannot see MCQ in the KMIT online. You should see where you wrote your exam. That means test you wrote. There can you see I am asking. Now you check it. If not, lateral entry students are having, I will tell lateral entry students to whether they joined with you. You are having a group. Are you having a group with lateral entry students? Tell me. Then you ask them. I have forwarded it to their sir. Complete. You take from them. Again, don't give work to me. Yes. Again, forwarding you all that. You take from them. They are having. Whatever tests we have conducted, that all questions I have forwarded to this Bhikshu sir who taught them. He has given to them. So if you cannot see your MCQs in test which you wrote, means you ask them and you take them. Yes. You make friendship with them. Yes. Yes. All right. So now we are seeing expectation, binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. And next, what is there? Geometric distribution. Geometric distribution. Expectation, definition. In that variance also you learned. Variance. Variance. Where is expectation of x is for the discrete random variable sigma x f of x. For continuous random variable, integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Here also it is there. I am not writing. X f of x dx. As continuous random variable. As variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. What is your doubt? Tell me. So that questions definitely can be asked, and binomial Poisson geometric I should repeat again. Yesterday, last class sir has repeated. Again you want, I will repeat. Yes. Binomial probability mass function. It is a discrete distribution. Its probability mass function is NCX P power X Q power N minus X. Mean is NP. Variance is NPQ. Problems they will ask. It is a discrete distribution. Yes. Now, Poisson distribution is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. Probability of x equal to x. The same thing here also for Poisson distribution. These two are discrete random variable only. Its lambda is the mean and variance also lambda. Yes. How you will find out? In the Poisson distribution, mean word will come. Mean. Here, probability will be giving, n will be giving. So you can understand you have to use binomial distribution. Poisson distribution, mean or average will be given. Then you can understand you have to use Poisson distribution. Here, n is less than 100. Here n is greater than 100. Less than or equal to any place you take. That only I can tell. When it is small, n is small, we will use this. N is large means we will use this. Understood? Yes? So binomial and Poisson, this much only. Today, how many of you? Yes, some question is coming. How many of you wrote NPTEL exam? Any exam you wrote? Morning. What exam you wrote? All questions came from assignment or not? Whatever assignment which they gave from that only came or not? Some only. Earlier it was coming more number of questions, now it has reduced. Is it like that? Earlier you wrote or not, or so now this is the first time you are writing? MCQ did not send. Yesterday one boy told 70 questions he got lateral entry students. One lateral entry student told me, we got 70 questions, madam, or no, 80 questions. Sir did not send. Huh? The Sridhar is telling, yes ma'am, we have. Catch hold of him. Collect from him. The Anil Kumar is telling it is available in the drive. You are not even seeing, you are not even talking to your friends. Or you are not checking. You are making me to do work more and more. Okay? Now it is as Harshida. You talk to Sridhar, get it? Yes? And also talk to Anil Kumar. Yes? So same thing, Sharat Chandra. Do it. Now we are not typing as you type. Both of you type as. Yes, okay. All right. Yeah. Now this is over, is it? What do you want? Tell me. Sridhar is a good boy. Yes, he's going to post. You post everywhere you post, Sridhar. Yeah, all sessions you post. Yes. Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. ITA, ITB, everywhere you post, Sridhar. Otherwise, they will send message to me. You do a favor for me, Sridhar. Okay? Ah. All right. Now we will go to next one. Yes. Now today you will study and you will ask questions. One more day you will be getting what is NPTL exam? Now only you joined. That is why you are not knowing. Share me your number. I will send you. Why you should send it to me also? I should also study Sridhar. All these question answers and I should write test. What you are telling, Sridhar? I only shared to Bhikshu sir. We only made the question. Others, you are not there in the group. You are telling that is why. Okay, okay. Okay, all right. No, they won't ask. I am thinking. They won't ask. If you give your number to me, that I will give to them. Anybody asks. Yes, Sridhar. Yeah, that is enough. Yeah, otherwise itself, because of this online examination, online classes, yes, so many groups, so many messages. Actually, I myself don't know what I should do. Okay. Yes, yes. I'm waiting for the regular class. All right. Orally something I can finish means that is nice, I am thinking. This is orally. That is the reason actually PPT making also it is not so. I am liking only writing. That is why I changed over to board. Board means I can explain nicely. PPT means I cannot explain nicely. That is very difficult. Just reading like that. Now I can write means I am happy. Okay. That is why I changed over to board. Earlier this will not work. So that part I achieved. All right. Now we will go to the next topic. Already I have told yesterday. Did you hear normal distribution? Normal distribution. Yesterday I told you, is it normal distribution? What it is? Normal distribution, rectangular distribution. Now we have seen 1 by b minus a. All that we have seen yesterday. Is it enough? Anything more you want? Any some doubts? If you ask, I can clear it. But with just like that, I keep on telling where it is. Yes. Yeah. By normal distribution, it is a continuous distribution. Continuous distribution. Even rectangular is a continuous distribution. This one is also a rectangular distribution. It is a continuous distribution. Continuous distribution. So these two are continuous. Continuous means we will be using integral. And discrete means we will be using sigma. This is the difference. What do you want more? Definition of random variable also you study. Yes. Now I will see something in the textbook and I will tell you. Tuesday one more class is there. So you study today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, all that you study, and where you are not. Independent event, dependent events. From the first unit, independent. Conditional probability I told, then itself independent, dependent events. Events. That also you will get questions. You take the topics which I have uploaded and study. That is more than enough for you. Nothing more, nothing less. Don't go for any textbook or notebook, all that. KMIT online topics you download, study. End of it. All problems and all that you see, you can score 10 upon 10 for the mid exam. And even the semester exam also you can score very good marks. Yes? All right. Anything more you want to ask? Yesterday's topic you could understand. I have explained the problems and all. Lateral entry students. All topics are clear for you. Other students, actually, we did revision a lot. Tell me. Dikshit, what you are writing? Tell me first. Dikshit left. Huh? Everything clear. Then you study. This time, actually, you got more time. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 4 days are there. You can study a lot. Explain third unit once again. Ah, good. Very good. Like that, something you tell. So, we will see uniform distribution. Uniform distribution, it is a discrete distribution. It is a discrete distribution. Its a probability density function is this. It is in the interval a to b and it is given by 1 by b minus a. Yes, probability density function. That much extra and all you know, only whatever is required I will tell you. Definition, if they are asking rectangular distribution is same thing only, rectangular distribution only, that is. Yes, this is rectangular distribution only, uniform distribution or rectangular distribution. Both are same only. See here. Did you see, Anil Kumar? Rectangular or uniform distribution, both are same. Okay? All right. So we saw probability density function we have seen. Now we will see mean and variance of the uniform distribution or rectangular distribution. Some examples and all I put, that is what only you can read it yourself, that is enough. Yes. When you write definition, you can give one example also. This is the mean. Mean is a plus b by 2 and variance is a b minus a whole square by 12. So this is a multiple choice questions, MCQ, and also for the descriptive part questions can be asked. This proof and all you can expect in the SEM examination as mean and variance proof SEM examination you expect. This problem should I explain, Anil Kumar? Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for no more than 4 hours. Both long and short conference occur quite often. What is the probability density function? What is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours? Suppose that a large conference room at a certain company can be reserved for more than 4 hours. Reserved for more than plus 4 hours. Plus 4 plus hours, but both long and short conference quite frequently it happens. What is the probability density function they are asking? Probability density function you want to find out means you should know that it is a rectangular distribution. Rectangular distribution's other name is uniform distribution. Uniform distribution means it is uniformly moving. It is straight line means it is a uniform only, like that. So probability density function is b minus a. Here they are telling more than 4 hours. So ours will be starting from 0 only. So you can see probability density function b minus a, 0 to 4. Yes, that is the probability density function. What is the probability that any given conference lasts at least 3 hours, minimum 3 hours? It can be more than that. At least means minimum. It can be more than that. So we are writing it as a probability of x greater than or equal to 3 we are writing. Yes. So 4 hours they are considering. Here x to 4 hours they have told. So that is why from 3 to 4 they have taken. So when you differentiate, f of x is 1 by 4 minus 0 they told. So 1 by 4 dx. So 1 by 4 x within the limit 3 to 4 more than or equal to 3 and up to 4 only it will go. So we got 1 by 4 as rectangular distribution. Now, a random variable x has uniform distribution minus 3 to plus 3. Interval is given. K, for which x greater than k equal to 1 by 3, evaluate x less than 2 and probability of mod x minus 2 less than 2. Interval is given. So, it is very easy for you to find the probability density function 1 by b minus a. 1 by 3 minus 3 it is 1 by 6. So x, they are asking the question, find the value of k, probability of x greater than k is 1 by 3 they are asking. So we got x greater than k means we can write x less than or equal to k. Yes, is it correct or not? Are you understanding this less than or equal to k or not? Any doubt means you ask. No doubt means I will continue. Yes. So, minus 3 is the lower limit. Lower limit up to k we are writing with this. Yes. Now we will integrate and we will find out what it is. Integral of f of x is nothing but 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 we wrote outside and we are integrating and we are getting x we will get here. Yes, I will take pen. Yes, x we will get here. So we are writing 1 by 6 x within the limit minus 3 to k. Minus lower limit, and when we simplify we are getting 1 by 3. So simplifying here this. Here question it is given 1 by 3. Sorry. 1 by 3 is given here. Here it is given. Here it is given. So 1 by 3 we wrote and we are simplifying. Then we will be getting k equal to 1. That is rectangular distribution. Similarly, the next one also. Here, this one you may not be understanding, that I will tell, this is clear for you. This x minus 2, mod x minus 2 means, mod x minus 2 less than 2 means wherever x is there, 2 minus 2 we will write, here 2 plus 2 we will write. This we are bringing here 2 plus 2, this we are bringing here, that way you can remember. Mod x means we will be writing minus 1 less than x less than 1. For all that together, mod x less than 1 means like this only we will be writing. Mod x less than 1 means So the same way we are writing here also. So this is becoming 0, this is becoming 4. So less than is coming, that is why we are taking 0 to 3 we will take. We won't take 4. Is it clear, children? Anil Kumar? Yes. Same way only, the same next question also. Should you need explanation more or not? So many questions we have written same type. Can you? One more problem you want? Okay, good. This problem will do. Metro trains on a certain line run every half an hour between midnight and 6 in the morning. Every half an hour, that shows that it is a uniform distribution. Yes, that means a straight line. When we tell anything that is just like a constant, it is coming, means it is a uniform or a rectangular distribution. That a man entering the station at a random time during this period will have to wait at least 20 minutes. Trains on a certain line run every half an hour between midnight and 6 in the morning. That leave off. Every half an hour train is there, that much only you understand. What is the probability that a man entering the station at a random time, this time is during that period, one man is coming, how much time, this period will have to wait at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes, how he will have to wait. That is what is the probability for waiting 20 minutes. Every half an hour only train is there. So we will first find out the probability density function. We will find out. Every half an hour means 30 minutes. 0 to 30 minutes it is. That is why 1 by b minus a. B minus a. 30 minutes, 0 to 0 less than x less than 30. Everything in the uniform distribution like that only they will be telling 0 to some value. Otherwise they will give the interval. So 1 by b minus a, here b is 30, a is 0. That is why 1 by 30 we got. Interval is 0 to 30. Yes. So the person has to wait. Person has to wait at least 20 minutes. At least means minimum is 20. It has to be more than 20. That is why probability of x greater than 20 they are telling. Minimum is 20. It can be more than that. It can be like this also. In the continuous distribution, equal to if we put or not, it won't make any difference since we are using integration. For integration, if it is equal or not, we cannot specify it. But it in the discrete distribution, if it is equal means we will be using that value also. 20 to 30 means 20 we will use. In the continuous distribution, whether 20 is included or not, no one is going to see, since integration that way only we can do it. So we will get here 20 to 30 minutes is the maximum. F of x dx we will write. So integral 20 to 30 f of x is 1 by 30 dx. 1 by the here integration I 1 by 30 I will take outside. Integral 20 to 30 and 1 dx only. 1 dx means 1 by 30 x within the limit 20 to 30. That is what only they got answer as 1 by 3. What do you say, Mahendra? Mahendra? Okay. Rectangular means we can see a constant time, constant movement we will be seeing. That you understand. It is a continuous distribution means integral sign you should take. For rectangular distribution, normal distribution, you have to take integral sign. And also continuous distribution which you have learned it in first unit, there also you should take integration. Discrete random variable, you will be using sigma. Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, geometric distribution, all you will be using sigma only. Yes. Now any more doubts? Tell me. Now you study nicely, I am telling. And any more doubts are there? Tuesday again I will keep class. Tuesday also they told us to continue till 22nd. 22nd is Tuesday I am thinking. Let me see. Yes. Am I correct? Yes. Yes, Tuesday one more class is there. So any more doubts are there, you can clear it. Monday no class of COSM. Tuesday it is there. You will wind up. Anything more you want to ask me? Nothing means you tell bye. I will close it. What are you typing? But it is not reaching here. Yes, Naveen. Naveen is from IT. Is it IT? Something you are writing to your friends only, you are not writing to me. Naveen, all topics I have told. All topics I told. Yes. So you study everything nicely. Clear doubts. Tuesday any doubts are there, clear it. Have a nice weekend. Okay. Thank you. All of you, thank you.